On March 24th, thousands of people will be marching in major cities to show their support for stronger gun control, and some major celebs are set to join them in the march. Ariana Grande, Miley Cyrus, and Demi Lovato are using their platform to speak up for what they believe in. Ever since the horrible shooting tragedy that occurred at Marjory Stoneman Douglas High School in Parkland, Florida on February 14th, the issue of gun control has been a major topic. The survivors of the shooting have taken on the leadership roles in making gun control laws more secure and have started the #NeverAgain and #Enough movement. Earlier this week, thousands of students across the country walked out of their school in protest of the lack of gun control and school safety, and remained silent for 17 minutes in honor of the 17 victims of the Parkland shooting. We have been in awe of the strength, maturity, and passion these students have shown, and it has solidified our belief that these teenagers can make a real impact. March for Our Lives is a worldwide event that is happening on March 24th that is, quote, created by, inspired by, and led by students across the country who will no longer risk their lives waiting for someone else to take action to stop the epidemic of mass school shootings that has become all too familiar. There will be a whopping 763 marches happening across the globe, with the biggest one taking place in Washington, D.C., so it will take place where the laws and regulations about gun control are voted on, and is meant to show the lawmakers and legislators how important this issue is. Among the millions of people who are set to attend, there are some major celebs who are joining the march. It has been confirmed that Ariana Grande, Miley Cyrus, Demi Lovato, and Jennifer Hudson will be attending the march in Washington, D.C., and will be speaking and/or performing as well. We're not that surprised to hear this because all four of these women have been vocal about their political beliefs in the past and have never shied away from speaking out against what they think is wrong. Dozens of celebrities have spoken out about their intent to participate in one of the hundreds of marches, and we know this March 24th will be a day that goes down in history. Are you planning on attending one of the marches? Let us know down in the comments below, and then click right over here to learn everything you need to know about the National School Walkout. I'm your host, Renee Ariel. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.